Good morning. Today's June 28th, Tuesday, 2016, and this is the morning business headline commentary. As we see here, there's a little bit of a dead cat bouncing, so to speak, with the markets. You see like everything bouncing back a little bit. We see that in crude oil, the euro, and the pound. We're not sure if this is going to be sustainable. As the fallout from the Brexit is unknown, and there's a little bit of discovery on what happens. All right, the futures are pretty good. The futures of the Dow up 200 points. GDP growth revised up to 1.1%. All right. I guess today's relatively paying attention to Brexit fallout. There's still job cuts in Dow Chemical. All right. Not much happening on this Tuesday, June 28th. Well, this South Korea cuts GDP forecast, as we know, largely dependent on Samsung, Hyundai, and so forth like that. And as we know, Samsung is not doing very well. All right. So I think Brexit still is an overriding theme these several few weeks. Um, we probably have to think about what's happening in the market and the reactions in terms of Brexit. We're not sure how Brexit will affect in the several weeks to come because we don't know it because it never happened before. I do know that the Queen supports Brexit, so she probably would have a weight on making the referendum significant. Because they say it's not binding, but if the Queen says supports it, it is relatively binding. So that's what I would think. Oh yeah, I should mention that I have Indian viewers and Chinese business viewers. So as I mentioned before, there's some actionable. I do have actionable, mentions and opinions, which in the past did help several entities. All right, so today's June 28th, Tuesday, 2016, and this is the morning headline commentary.